in optics is sign convention, and most of the children get confused in this particular case. So in the sign convention, where to take positive and where to take negative, especially this knowledge is useful when you are doing a numerical problem solving. When you are doing any problem, you must know this. So my dear friends, let us take a particular case of a concave mirror. In this particular case, already you have been seeing on all these cases, this is the principal focus, center of curvature, object is placed at this point. Now, this is the direction in which the light is coming. This is the direction of light. Always the measurement of the focal length or the image distance or the object distance is measured from the principal focus. So from the pole. So the measurement is always started from the pole. So my dear friends, if any measurement we are taking along the direction of current, along the direction of the light, that we consider it as positive. That measurement we consider it as positive. If we are measuring against the direction of light, we consider it as negative. Now in this particular case, let us see the example. Light is passing like this. So this is the standard direction of light. Now when you are taking the focal length, you are always moving from P to F. So P to F means your pen is moving away against the direction of light. So the value is minus F. We will take it as minus F. Now when you are finding out the image distance, you are measuring from P to I. When you are moving from P to I, your pen is moving against the direction of the light. Light is moving in this direction, your pen is moving in that direction. So again this value is also minus V. So my dear friends, the same way about the object distance also. The light is going in this direction, you are measuring from P to A. So again the object distance is also taken as minus U. So in this particular case, you might have understood where to take, how to take negative. And one more thing, this is a object height of the object. This is the height of the object. This is above the axis, and this is below the axis. Below the axis is taken as, this is the height of the image. This is taken as negative. So in this particular case, the value is negative, means when you are taking all the measurements which are taken above are taken as positive heights and below are taken as negative heights. So in this particular case, this is positive because it is in above and this is negative. So the height of the image by the height of the object is a magnification. So it is a negative value. See, the height of the image by the height of the object or magnification is also equal to the distance of the image by the distance of the object. So the negative symbol indicates that the image form is diminished, real and inverted. That is the information what we can get from seeing the magnification. So in this particular case, let us see another case where the object is taken before F. When this is the object, the image is formed, already we have seen in the previous case, the image is formed on the other side. This is the ray, after reflection it goes like that, and it appears as if it is coming from here, and you take another ray, it is just going like that and appear as if it is coming. So finally you are getting an object here, an image is formed here. Here this is the object. This distance, see, from P to I you are measuring in this direction. So here in this direction your pen is moving along the direction of the light. So this is plus V. This is plus V. Now you might have understood where to take positive sign. If you take object distance, again your pen is moving away from the direction of light. So again it is minus U. If you take the focal length, it is again minus F because your pen is going against the direction of the light. So when your pen is going along the direction of light, you have to take it as positive. When your pen is going against the direction of light, you have to take it as negative. Always you measure from the pole. And in this particular case, this is the object is above. Even the image is also above. That means the magnification is positive. Magnification is positive indicates that the image is a virtual image, is a magnified and a virtual image. So when magnification is positive, positive means that both are above the axis. And if it is negative, magnification is negative indicates that the object is above and the image is below. So this indicates that it is a real diminution. This indicates that it is virtual and magnified. Thank you.